In this video, you're going to learn how to graph a line using slope-intercept form. First, we're going to look at some examples and see how the equation matches the graph. First, let's check out where the line is crossing the y-axis and the constant, the number. In this case, it's crossing at 1, now at 2, and now at -5. Notice how the number changed. We can also look at how the line slants. So for the slope of 5/3, it goes up 5/3. For -2/3, it goes down 2 and to the right 3. Well, let's try graphing some now. So I'm going to start with my y-intercept. In this case, it's 1. And then my slope is 3/2. So I'm going to go up 3 and over 2. So I'm starting at the 1, going up 3/2. And then we connect the y-intercept with where the slope to have me move. In the next example, I have y equals -1/3 x minus 2. My y-intercept is -2, so I'm going to begin there at -2. My slope is -1/3. I'm going to put the negative up top, so I'm going to go down 1, making that 3 positive, so I'm going to go to right 3. And I'll connect my y-intercept with where the slope took me. In this example, I have 4x plus 3. I'm going to start at the 3, but if I go up 4, I go off the graph. So instead, I'm going to go down 4 and to the left 1, because a negative divided by a negative gives me a positive. And as a final recap, for slope-intercept form, we have y equals mx plus b. The b is my y-intercept, and that's where I begin when I start graphing. My m is my slope, and that's how I move. And you might think it's easy to tell a joke about slope-intercept form, but I really just don't want to cross the line. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe and hit like for this video.